What's up guys? So tonight I wanted to come and show you all my quick nighttime / baggy method routine. So I got this product from Amazon for $9.99, a company called Bedshaw that sells satin pillowcases, and I really can't wait to use this. You know, sometimes we would put our silk bonnet or our silk scarf on our heads, and by the time we wake up in the morning it's gone. So it's really a good idea to invest in a pair of these so that you can still have that kind of protection for your hair when you're asleep, to protect your hair from breaking and also to keep the moisture in. So the products I'm going to use in this video are my Aunt Jackie's curl maintenance, my Jamaican Black castor oil pure butter for a sealant, and I'm going to be using my oils, which is a mixture of black castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil, some tea tree oil, some black seed oil, and also my favorite Palm Christi oil. I also have my spray bottle as usual, and this very old but favorite silk headscarf that I've had for many years, or you can use a silk bonnet if you have that instead. You're also gonna need a plastic cap or a plastic bag, but we'll get to that part later. So let's start by parting our hair. I'm gonna section off my hair. I usually section it up into two. I know most people do sections in fours, but for this I am just gonna section it in two to start off, and I'm gonna be doing some chunky flat twists. Now I'm not the best flat twister, but I make it do what it do. Don't forget to spritz your hair. It's much better to work on damp hair. Make sure that you are detangling on damp or wet hair, just to prevent any breakage. I'm gonna put in my Aunt Jackie's leave-in moisturizer and then my sealant on top of that. I also detangle with my detangling brush, and I want to give away 2 of these brushes, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Don't forget to put your oils in your scalp, like I almost forgot to do that, and it is good to use your oils and then massage it in, promote hair growth. Now I'm gonna start flat twisting my hair. Now remember, I said I'm not the best flat twister, but I do the best I can, because tonight I'm really not feeling to put a whole bunch of 2-strand twists in my hair. So you can do that if you like, and you can also do a braid out, whichever you prefer. So this one, even though I'm not good at it, it is the fastest for me right now, because I really want to just get to bed. When you get home from work, you're really not trying to have a long night of doing your hair, especially in the middle of the week. You just want to do other things and not spend a whole lot of time doing your hair. When I do this flat twist, it's gonna last me for the rest of the week. So it's the middle of the week, and I'm gonna use for the next 2 days until the weekend. So I'm gonna flat twist my entire head, and then I'll come back to show you guys the baggy method that I use for my hair. my gosh, my product is almost done. That means it's time to take a trip to Pennywise. Hey guys, so now for the fun part, the baggy method. So for this, you're gonna just need a plastic bag or your plastic cap, and you're going to put it over your entire head and the entire hair down with your silk scarf or your silk bonnet. And the baggy method is good for increasing the retention of moisture in your hair, because moisture is so important and it increases hair growth. And I used this when my hair was relaxed and I got a lot of growth. That's why I started back using it on my natural hair. It increases elasticity, which simply means how much your hair will stretch before it returns to its normal state. I usually leave this on throughout the night, and at times I would get up and take it out because your hair would get wet and you may not want your hair to be so wet for the next day. So you can take it off throughout the night and just remain with your silk scarf on your head, or you can do it for 30 minutes before going to bed. Trust me guys, this helps my hair to be really moisturized for the next day of work, because I really cannot deal with the dryness. So this has been helping my hair a lot. So give it a try. Hey guys, so I want to give away 2 detangling brushes to any 2 of my subscribers or followers on Instagram. All you have to do is tag any 5 of your friends underneath my picture on Instagram. Make sure that they subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my picture, and you can be the winner of one of these hairbrushes. I want to give it away to 2 people. These detangling hairbrushes really work well in my hair, and I wanted to share the joy with 1 or 2 of my subscribers.